everyone. As part of VibeForge 1.0 presented by the Adamas Game Development Club Game Liminals, I'll be demonstrating the sign up process of our application. Either you can go for sign up through this, or you can also go for register now. Let me show you through register now. We'll go for sign up since we are doing new registration. You enter your full name over here now. Then we go for our email address and a password to keep our account safe and secure. Sign up. Done. Now we have to complete our profile. First is to click to upload the photo. Maximum 5 MB is allowed. Your name and your email will already be auto-filled since you have already given it. Next, selection of college. If you are from Adamas University, you select Adamas University, or else you go for other. Now, if you select Adamas University, you get this. This is nothing but your registration ID to be given. So whatever your registration ID is, just give it. But if you're from other college, then you have to enter your college name over here. XYZ, whatever college. Just your college name. And if you're from Adamas, just your registration ID. So whatever I feel like, I've put. Now select your year, which year you are enrolled in, and the program that you are enrolled in your college. Now, we have to give our phone number over here. So let me give the number. Now submit and get your UID. Now what is this UID? UID is basically your user ID. Here you can see my profile, and this is exactly what we were talking about, UID. This is a very important number, and I'll show you why in the later part of the application process. So see, now I got my profile, my name, my email, my number, my university application ID, registration ID, my year, and my program. Now, we go for event registration. By the way, this is also for merchandise. You can also buy t-shirts and all from our website for yourself for the event. This is your t-shirt. T-shirt price is 300 and processing fee is 8. So 308 for shirt. You can also choose color, lavender or white, and also select the sizes, small XL, XC, XS, S, M, L, XL, whatever it is. And you can also buy cap from here, which will be 150 item price and processing fee will be 4 rupees. So 154 total. You can buy both or either one of them. Now let's go through event registration. Register now. Okay. There is another important detail that I want to fill you in, and that is, if you're from Adamas University, you can only team up with Adamas University students and participate in the event. But if you're from any other XYZ universities, then you can team up with other universities. For example, I am from XYZ University. I can team up with another person from ABC University and another person from whatever, EFG, whatever university. So we can actually have team members from different universities if you are not from Adamas University. Now over here we have participation type. Either you go for solo or team. If you have team, then you have maximum 3 members. Over here you enter your team name. XYZ, let's say that team name. And over here you have your team members. You can add 2 members and you have to enter your member UID. You remember I was talking about the UID, which is very important. This is my UID. Similarly, you have to enter the UIDs of your team members like this. Okay. This is how you do it. And you can have maximum of 3 members, so you can only add 2 members UID over here. Now I'm individual, so I'm going for individual. And if you're from Adamas University, registration is absolutely free. But if you're from another college, let's say I am not from Adamas University and I'm from another college. Okay, you cannot change your college over here. Once it is done, it is locked. Your profile is locked. But let me tell you, if you're from another college and you're registering for the event, then instead of free registration, you will be given a place where you have to type 250, because you will be charged 250 rupees for participating in the event, and there will be only 7 rupees platform processing fee. So that's 257 in total. So if you're from Adamas University, you are free to register, but if you're from another college, then you will be charged 250 rupees and 7 rupees for platform. That's it. And now you register. Oh wait, I have to enter my team name, XYZ. Okay, done. Processing and done. My registration is completely done. Now after your event registration, this online selection round will be pending, because of course we have our first round, which is the online selection round. Only after being evaluated in that round, you will be receiving your event pass and approval via the email. And then you can come to our campus and participate in our final round. Thank you.